week we talked about the free workshop. The week before we talked about why real estate. We talked about why us. We talked about why DC.
Yep.
All of the things that influence what we do on a daily basis. So I had somebody ask me, what can I expect at the workshop? We kind of touched on that last week.
Right.
So I wanted to, we're reaching out to new investors. We want to reach people when they are in their infancy.
Okay.
Right, of this business. We want to reach people before they make huge financial commitments elsewhere.
Yep.
Right. We don't want you to raise so much capital or take out so much debt just to get quote unquote educated and then can't even do a deal or even know where to start to do a deal, right?
That's right.
So that's who we're speaking to. That's who we're reaching out to. Those of you who kind of woke up yesterday or listened to us last week or previous weeks or checked out our website or checked out different shows on HGTV or whatever, and you know what? And thought to yourself, you know what? That real estate thing, that's something that I could see myself doing.
Right.
That's something that I could achieve my family goals doing. That's something that I can be where I can get to where I want to be, doing that thing right there. So I'm just getting started.
Okay.
I'm not a real estate agent. I don't even own a house yet. We talked about, well, I may own my house.
Okay. You may or may
Right?
not.
My
Okay.
realtor, my loan officer helped me do that. What would you say, other than attending one of our free workshops next week, is the first step they should take?
The first step, if I owned the house, would be call my agent and say I want to buy an investment property.
Okay?
Okay. So I will call my agent and say, hey, agent, I want to buy an investment property. How do I do that? Hoping that my agent knows how to do that. Believe it or not, 9 times out of 10, they don't.
I knew you were going to say that.
They don't. And they don't like the fact that I say that. Like, if you think about all the meetups we've done over the years, all the investment groups we've been to, I tell them all the time, and it's because I used to be an agent. As controversial as this may sound, I know more than most of you.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know how to buy investment property. Not properly. You know how to make sure you get a commission.
You know how to market and find people looking to buy a primary residence.
I mean, they know how to buy property.
Mm-hmm.
They know how to assist buyers to buy property, but they don't know how to assist investors to buy investment property. It's two totally different things. So they need to, I would call my agent and say, I want to buy an investment property. That would be my first step. If I did not already own a property, I would Google invest in real estate in DC.
And see where it took you. We should do that. We should do that and see what the
So let's
first
see.
couple of links are.
Let's see where that takes us during this break and go from there.
Yep. When we come back from break, we'll have that. This is Reggie Riley, Marcus Thomas, Capital Invest, DMV Investment Opportunities. We'll be right back.